We're here at 500, I think, State Street garage here in downtown Knoxville, Tennessee. Now, I think these are actually replaced because they actually added a couple extra floors to this garage. Definitely feel like this one. Red. Mad BS buttons here. Traction. Took me 520 State Street. Was a State Street parking garage. Wait, let's go to 6. And yes, it does light up green. Here we go. Love these red buttons here. We're in the video 3. But anyway, we got a cavity here. It is definitely a pretty nice elevator. High. Red Mad BS Classic. This is really interesting. Very interesting. I love these call stations. Red button. So cool. There goes the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.